What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about the AirPods Pro new issue. I think AirPods Pro are the AirPods with the most amount of complaints and issues out there. I mean, not gonna lie, I have the normal AirPods, I mean the Gen 2, and those never really gave me any major problem. Here I have them, and these never really disappointed me, whereas a lot of times these AirPods Pro have disappointed me. So the problem is that many people are talking about on Twitter at the rate tech hype. You can follow me if you want to though. The problem is that one of these, if I'll take them out and just use them, one of them won't work, and that's a serious issue. And whenever people do try to reset it or disconnect it and then connect it again, and then also these both of these earphones won't sync properly. So this issue, the fix of this issue is actually a software update that Apple need to put out really soon, and I have no idea Apple how much time Apple will take to release this release update to fix this issue. But the temporary fix that I have is that actually worked for me, at least, is that I do not really guarantee that this will fix your issue, because this is a temporary issue. I'm again saying it, this is not a permanent fix. So this may work for you or this may not, so it is worth a try, obviously. So the thing that I did is I connected my AirPods Pro to my iPhone overnight, and first of all I just unpaired my AirPods, then connected them again, and then I connected them and left my AirPods charging case charging for the whole night, and my AirPods connected just like when we do while updating our AirPods. After doing that, my AirPods Pro apparently started working, and that's actually I am lucky or what, but my AirPods Pro did started working after that. And if I'm going to talk about the rattling sound, in the AirPods. So a quick side note: if you did everything, repaired it, and the trick that I talked about in this video, if you did all of them and followed all of them, and still your AirPods didn't work, wait for a week or two after this video is released. And if you're watching this video after like a month or so, or whenever you are watching this video, do one thing: that AirPods Pro, take your AirPods to Apple Store, and their repair program is going on, and they may give you a spare AirPods, and yeah, you are good to go now. AirPods Pro, that issue is still not fixed, and that issue should have been fixed like 2-3 months ago with the software update, but apparently Apple didn't really release the software update for that. So I have no idea when Apple will release a AirPods Pro update, but it is expected by the time I'm uploading this video. They may release an update of AirPods as soon as next month, or maybe this month, which is April. So that's it for today's video. Let me know down in comments below. Yeah, please let me know down in comments below that did this fix your AirPods Pro issue or not, because it did fix for me. So this is just a duty for me to report news, and if there is a fix to report to you guys. This is not just happening to you, this is happening with everyone, so don't worry. Apple is aware of this, I think so. Then also I have contacted Apple via Apple Support, and I think they are going to release update really soon, so I will be making a video on that. So peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode. If this was helpful for you all, consider dropping a like, subscribe to the channel, because I do these type of videos almost daily and I don't want you guys to miss that. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.